Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And today is the day, family. Our Jamaican sister, our bed and mattress is coming, and we just get a call from Dr. Mattress that, you know, our beddings is on the way for delivery, and I'm just waiting for Miss Jam Tours to come so we can go and receive this for our Jamaican sister family. So I'm just waiting for Miss Jam Tours. I actually open up the passenger side, and I'm waiting for her to come so we can go and pick this up for our Jamaican sister family. So let's go, family. Just wait. And if you're looking to come into Africa family, we have some advice for you. You know, and this is just based off of my experience, family. So I'm just giving you on the top of my head of my experience when I came. You know, I get scammed, you know, family, by Mwango, and I would say maybe the entire family scam Jam Tours family, and they care not, and it's like they do nothing, and that's what they're going about living their life normally, making videos every day on the internet like holier than thou. So based on that experience, family, I'm just gonna share some tips with you guys what you should never do when you plan to come to a country. And you know, a lot of African Americans and a lot of Africans out in the diaspora, you want to come back to Africa. It's a dream, and because of the internet and you see how Africa is different, you start to watch these YouTubers, family. But rule number one, family, when you see a YouTuber clickbait and coming on the internet saying things is for them and it's not for them, be scared. You know what I mean? Actually, that's Miss Jam Tours here. She's coming in. Miss Jam Tours is the administrative of Jam Tours.
Thank you.
So that's Miss Jam Tours family. So family, let's go to pick up this our Jamaican sister. Yeah, Miss Jam Tours. I was thinking about something this morning, and I was saying to my head that based on what happened to me here in Kenya, I'm trying to give in people some tips of what they should never do when they actually, like, say you're in America and you want to come, you're planning to relocate to Africa. Things you should never do.
You should be doing this intro as we go.
Yeah, let's go. I think that's the mattress calling, family.
Yeah.
So we have to go.
Hello? Yeah.
Them there already?
Okay, sawa. In a few, niko hapo. Aye.
Them there already, sweetie.
Yeah. They told me it's exactly 10 minutes.
Exactly 10
I'm sure
minutes.
I've used more than that.
Okay.
Just a minute, I hold for you the camera.
Yeah. Yeah, family. So we actually on our way to pick up our Jamaican
You know what these
sister.
Girls, you know what these small girls have said when I'm passing?
Yeah.
Oh my God, she has a baby in her stomach.
Yeah, family. So back to the topic. As I was saying, family, you know what I mean, the do's and don'ts you should never do. Based on my experience, family, what happened to me when I came to Kenya, the entire family scammed me out. The Mwango entire family scammed me out, family. So I'm just paying it forward, and I'm just trying to get people set up when they come to Africa how not to get scammed. You know what I mean? I'll have to make another video how not to get scammed when you're trying to relocate into Africa, family. So I hope this video might help. Miss Jam Tours maybe had a few, you know, add our 2 cents to this family. But rule number one, when you see these YouTubers and these socialites, not all of them, but some of them, it's the one of them that clickbait. And I experienced this because I rent my apartment, 2 apartments I have. I didn't want to do video and say it's hers apartment.
Okay.
I come with this camera that I'm recording with right now, and she make videos and say, oh, she get a gift and all kind of thing. These things, you can tell that these people are scammers. So family, when you actually come close to these people and you see them want to use your things for views and for videos, and it's not theirs, and they clickbaiting, just cut them off. Rule number 2, when you're in your country and somebody tells you, oh, you can put land in my name, you can buy the land and put it in my name and stuff.
Any property,
Scam.
not just land, any
You know,
property.
not any property, anything.
Anything that you know deep down, you cannot own it as a foreigner.
Yeah.
hard.
in my apartment and stuff. I never think that the Mwango do me that family. Because why? The Mwango, actually, we grew up in the same faith, Seventh-day Adventists back in Jamaica. And when I come to, when I met her and stuff, we were talking about similarities. We used to go to church and all of these things. So obviously, I feel like these people is honest people.
You are really getting along.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying, family. So I'm saying to
No, the
myself
fact that you come from the same church.
you know what I mean? And we can talk about things we used to do as a child. Some songs we used to sing in church and all kind of things. So I feel like these people are honest people, family. And you guys see that the brother, the mother, everybody staying at the apartment. They know the apartment is not for the Mwango. So you see what I'm talking about? So when you see these people online, family, coming out the country, you know, do what my Jamaican sister is doing right now. Get a small room, a 1-bedroom. Know the country. Try to get your resident permit, your work permit, so you can own things in your name before you even start to go. Because when you think about the family, most of these locals are just waiting for that day to come and you have to run back to your country because immigration are hunt you down because you're in the country illegal. Them happy.
Just
Them
like-
happy about
just-
that. Them not guide you until they say,
Just
yo.
like what the brother told you.
Yeah, you're not even from Africa, so obviously I can just take everything. Even the brother Mara, in the whole situation, he was telling about
You can just go to immigration.
you cannot go to immigration. These people are wicked people, family, wicked people.
Witches and wizards.
And then we can actually give you the tips and points that I'm really talking about. Because, you know what I mean, remember that experience just made me get hungry, but I'm not hungry, fam.
No, don't get angry.
So tip number 2, family, make sure you get the things straight.
Don't get angry.
Stay in the country, know the country, go to neighboring country and try to understand the thing. And number 3, if there's a foreigner that actually in the country that is settled, try and link with that foreigner. Like somebody like Jam Tours, somebody will go through the process.
Anybody,
yeah,
yes.
yeah, know what
Whoever
to
you
do and
feel
stuff.
comfortable with.
Yeah, try to link with that person
Salam.
and try to get tips and tricks from them, how to move about, how to go about, and how to get your things sorted out. Don't be any rush. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? You have anything to add, Miss Jam Tours?
I think
Like
you've
tips,
said,
said everything?
You've said it all.
Yeah,
I
family.
mean, I think even if you've not said it all, maybe I think you've said the
major thing, the most
catchy.
important thing. And that's the thing, family. If you're looking to come, rule number 4, as a man, as a woman, if you're looking to come and build a family, they want to have kids, they want to do a lot of things. You know, try to actually find somebody that is actually, you know, wait until you find your husband or your wife before you try to actually, you know, try to buy anything, like try to get anything. That's another way you can come. You get married, and you can get a resident permit, you can get a citizenship easily. So if you're looking to come and just you want a family like me, do that first before you try to buy land, buy car and all of these things. So everything will actually go on your family thing. You see what I'm saying, family? So that's rule
I'm
number
not
4.
writing it and that.
Not write your thing under nobody's name, because you know push come to shove.
You know
do the right thing.
You know why they
You have
rush?
to leave it here.
You know why they rush to do that?
Yeah.
It's because they know in case of anything, a receipt is what is always asked for.
And rule number 5, as I come to that point,
Right.
when as I come to that point, Miss Jam just give me another one. Rule number 5, them just waiting for something to happen for them to go to the court and go to police and say it's under them name.
And say it's under
not
my
yours,
name.
it's not, even though it's you buy it, say it's under their name and then take it over. That's what they do.
Even if you spent $1 million, but
Yeah.
provided it's read in somebody else's name,
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
their
yeah.
own.
It's their own,
by
yeah.
right, by law, it's my own.
Yeah, by law, yeah.
But
Mhm.
it's not good because deep
Not
down you
good,
know it's not your
Yeah,
own.
deep down you know it's not
It's
yours.
not
That's stealing. Yeah. Yeah, family.
Maybe let's go and pack up our Jamaican sis.
Yeah. So I want to just paying it forward, family. So, you know, other people in diaspora cannot be fearing to come. You know
Not
what I
all
mean?
people who are bad.
Not all people are bad. You better you trust a foreigner because a foreigner been there. And there's a reason why them here. Them have them things set up to them don't want to hear things. But a local red eye and then just want what you have.
Yeah.
You see you as a cash cow.
We call it a pin blessed, yeah.
Yeah. And just waiting.
I ATM that doesn't deal with
Yeah.
just
Yeah. And that's when them do those things dry eye, them do it, you know, because most of the time, because them are the citizens, them get preference.
But you know, yesterday night I was thinking about something. I was saying to myself,
Mm.
so far in Ghana, I guess we've been held on by like 2 people.
Mm-hmm.
I remember we were in this what is this name? Junction Mall or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, in ShopRite. And this guy comes, I guess we're in the other shelf, on the other shelf, and this guy comes and be like, are you the wife of Jamaican? So I guess I was not hearing the accent well, and I was like, what are you saying? Like he repeated it, and I told him yes, and I got confused. I'm like, Jamaican, you know at that time the YouTube channel was,
Yeah, it's like whenever you know when I start this channel.
And then when you came, and then I was like, oh, you're looking for Jamaican, and I told him Jamaican is just here, you know. So like, you know, I felt nice. But anyway, driving on that point, I was telling him last night, I came to realize that most of these people that you just see with their cameras, they just do it for the camera.
Yeah, they're not doing it.
So what you're seeing on camera, now the me you're seeing on camera and the me you'll meet in person,
It's different.
it's two different things, but it shouldn't be like that.
Yeah.
It shouldn't be like that. It should just be you or much better than what we even see on the camera. You understand?
Yeah, if you come and carry your own.
You see the way you go meet somebody, like even in the church, you know, back in the days, and you be like, Kai, Aki, when you meet them, and then they are so nice. They don't even look like what we see. They're super nice.
Yeah.
But it's so vice versa of you seeing somebody on camera and being like, hey, this and this lady might assist me when I get to Kenya to get my things organized and stuff, only for them to do the other way around. Yeah. And when you see them on camera, those are two different people. I'm like, this is not nice.
But you see them, it's the man carries them own all lot of things. Them own this, them own that. When you meet them in real life, they don't want nothing. Because everything was just for you.
Okay, Odin is one thing and another. I also have noticed, even these our Kenyan YouTubers, most of them, when you meet them in the streets, you hail them and you're like, hey, so and so, I'm your subscriber, I've been watching your videos, and they just flash you off like, you understand?
Like,
and sometimes I'm like, guy, what is wrong with this one? You know? Anyway, hopefully we'll be there in the next 5 minutes.
Yeah, family, so we are in a rush. Pass me the keys to my truck.
This guy should be going on 120.
Yeah, well, I guess our delivery is the last delivery.
Anyway, I'm not even feeling bad that we will keep them there. They've kept us the whole day.
Yeah.
I mean, it's almost 4, right?
Yeah.
Let me see the time.
They said they're there already.
Yeah, they're there already. Let them wait. It's 3:38, and from morning we've been waiting the delivery. Anyway, better late than never.
Yeah, family. So it's just what it is. We are actually excited to actually, get people set up. With anything they want to get help with that we can assist, we will assist. You know what I mean? Because I experienced something that is so bad that if these things ever happen to me, I could do a lot more. You know what I mean? Because of what happened to my family. When you feel like you're making an investment or you're doing something that, I can actually, help you out in the future. Somebody else come and benefiting from it and stuff, family. Because you put your trust in them and you feel like, say, yo. And that's the thing, family. Another thing, rule number 6 again. When you come to East Africa, understand tribe. You know what I mean? Not all tribe.
Don't be tribalistic.
It's not tribalistic, but it's just the personality is different. And you have to understand that, family. You have to understand that. That is that. And people is people, and they will always be people. That's what I experienced and I shared with you guys. I have to be honest. Everybody's honest. I guess everybody from Jamaica, they come from West Africa. Because in Ghana, the personalities are the same.
How we can put it in a nicer way? Because maybe some people do not understand this. And I'm sure people make up the comments.
is different, and most people don't understand. They end up just come and feel like everybody's one, and then just whatever, until they start to realize it's the wicked people. I'm just telling you that. Yeah, guys, so we're on our way, and we're almost there now, right? Yeah, so we're almost there. Selling light, family, light. They want solar light.
Have you a good battery? I'm feeling uncomfortable.
Right, I'll just put it right up for this one.